Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make this stitch, and it's really easy and fast as well. So this is the front and the back looks like this. So this would be great for blankets and scarves, but I think you can use this pattern to do any project. So in this pattern I used a 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. I also used a number 4 medium weight yarn, and this pattern calls for your starting chain should be multiples of 8 plus 4. So you're only going to chain multiples of 8, and at the end of it all just add 4 one time. So go ahead and make your chain, and we'll meet you when you have your chain. So I have my chain, and I'm going to skip 2 stitches, and into my third one I will make a double crochet. But always remember that the one on the hook doesn't count as a chain, so you will count from the second one, which will be your first one. So 1, 2, and into the third one make a double crochet. So this first row will all be double crochet. So we're doing double crochet to the end of the chain. So go ahead with your double crochets to the end of the row, and I will meet you when you're done. So this is my last stitch in row 1. And that's how our row 1 looks like. And I'm going to turn and then chain 2, 1, 2, and now we're going to do front post double crochet into the next 4 double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook from the back of the post to the front. So we're doing front post double crochet, yarn over again, insert your hook from the back to the front, so we're going to do 4 times, and this is our last one. So our next one, we will do back post double crochet into the next 4 double crochets, into the next 4 posts. So yarn over, go to the back of your next post, insert your hook, yarn over again, go to the next post and do back post double crochet to the next one, so you are doing 4 in each. So your next one now will be front post double crochet. So now you will just be alternating. You are doing 4 front post double crochets and then 4 back post double crochets to the end of your row, second row. So this is our last one. and then that's how it looks. Then the next one, you're going to do back post double crochet. So you kind of turn and do it from the back. And this is our last one. So the next one will be your front post double crochets. So just repeat and I'll meet you at the end of the row. So I'm coming to the end of second row, and I will do a double crochet onto my last stitch here. And then I will turn and chain 2, 1, 2, and I will do front post double crochet again onto these first 4 front post double crochets I made before. So yarn over and do front post double crochets, on each of your front post double crochets you made before. And that is the last one. So after my front post double crochet, my next ones will be back post double crochet, and this is my last one. So your next one now will be front post double crochets. So you will just alternate like that until you get to the end. So we will be doing 3 rows. So this is now our second rows on each in the front post double crochet. This one we will be doing 3 times, and in back post double crochet we will be doing 3 rows of each, 3 rows of front post and 3 rows of back post. So go ahead and I'll meet you at the end. So at the end of this I have 1 stitch here, and I will do a double crochet onto that last stitch, a double crochet, and then turn and chain 2. So I told you we're going to do 3 rows of each, so this will be the last row. So yarn over and do front post double crochet, front post double crochet, front post double crochet, and then your next one will be back post, so just finish now and we'll meet you at the end of the row. So again I'm at the end, and I will do a double crochet onto this last stitch, and then I'm going to turn and chain 2. So now we did 3 rows of each, and now we're going to alternate so we already finished this, so now we're going to this next row here. So now we're going to alternate. This was front double crochets, and now we're going to do back post double crochets into the next 4 stitches. So yarn over, and instead of coming to the front, you do back post double crochet. So into your next 4 posts, you do back post double crochet in each post. And this was your back post. Now you're going to do front post double crochet. So your next one will be back post. So go ahead and I'll meet you at the end to show you the next step. So again, I'm at the end and I will do a double crochet to this last stitch, and then turn, chain 2. So now you're going to do back post double crochet. So remember, we're doing 3 rows of each. So your next one is front post double crochets. So your next one will be back post double crochet, and so repeat, and we'll meet you at the end of the row. So I'm at the end of this last row, and I'm going to do a double crochet onto that last stitch, and now I'm done with this now because I've done 3 rows of each. So this is at the back of the project, and this is the front. So I hope you have a good crocheting, and kindly, if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up and I will really appreciate. Thank you so much.